Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a digital planner with hyperlinks in Canva for free. The first thing you need to do, once on Canva, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on create a design. Then from here, all you'll need to do is select A4 document, or you're going to select planner. You can select planner for this example. After selecting planner, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you will see a blank canvas on which we are going to get started. So the first thing you want to do, once you have the blank canvas, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to select design at the top. After selecting design, from here you could tap in the search bar and you could type in digital planner. After typing in digital planner, you will see different templates that you can choose from. So you could scroll down and you could select any one of these templates. But let's say, for example, you want to just select a yearly one, you could type in year digital planner. After typing in year digital planner, from here you will see numerous templates, and by the way, you could select the particular month if you want. But I'll select this one right here. So I'll tap on it. Then after you have tapped on it, you can tap on apply 13 pages. And from here you'll be able, let me apply it up real quick. And from here you can see the cover page. Then you will see each month, as you can see right here. But now to add hyperlinks, what I want you to do is label each page, as that is the trick on how to add hyperlinks. So once you have created a page on Canva, you are going to see, for example, page 2. You are going to tap right beside page 2. And from here, I could type in this first page right here that has our priorities. So I could label the first page priorities right here. Then I'll scroll down and I'm going to label the second page, better yet the third page right here, weekly planner. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to label each page, so you could add monthly planner right here. And after you have done that, now to add the hyperlinks, all you have to do, so you'll go back to the second page, or if you would like to add hyperlink to the first page, but no, this is the cover. But if you want, you can add hyperlink to that. To add the hyperlink, all you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to select elements. After selecting elements, you're going to see lines and shapes. And from here, you are going to select this square item right here. So you're going to simply tap on that, or you could drag it over to the page. Then you're going to set it just like this, just like how you'll normally see it on digital planners on Etsy. And then you'll tap on this again to add one more. And you'll drag it to the end of the page right here. After you have done that, you can change the color, but before we change the color, let's add some text. So we are going to go over to the left hand menu option again, and we are going to select text. After selecting text, you can select add a subheading. Then you are going to drag the subheading into the box. So let's say, for example, I want to add weekly planner. So you'll type in weekly planner. After typing in weekly planner, all you have to do is edit it. So you'll pull it, then you'll simply pull it up. This section right here, the text section, you're going to have to change the text size to make it a bit smaller to fit in. I'll pull out the shape some more, as you can see right here. Once you have done that, you are going to tap on the text. So you are going to select the text. After selecting the text, you are going to see a link icon pop up. You are going to simply tap on the link. Then from here, you are going to scroll down and you can select the page. Remember, we had labeled each page. So the first, we would like to add this one as weekly planner. So you could tap on that, then tap on done. So once someone taps on this hyperlink, they'll be redirected to page 3, which is labeled weekly planner. And then you could add another hyperlink right here for monthly planner. And then once they tap on the hyperlink at the side, they'll be redirected to the monthly planner. And you can also edit the pages right here. So let's say, for example, you would like to change the cover. You can do that. So if you would like to change the background pic, all you have to do is tap on the page. Then you are going to right click. And after you have right clicked, you will normally see background image, but for this one there isn't any. So all you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you can select any one of the preloaded backgrounds, or you could select upload. And to change the background, all you have to do is simply drag the background image that you would like to add, as you can see right there, but these have watermarks as I'm using the free plan. So you can simply drag the image. Let's do that again. Or if when you drag the image it is not changing, you could right click. Then you will see detach image from background, or you will see add image to background, and you could add the image right there. You can also delete these elements if you want by simply tapping on them, then tapping on the trash can to remove them. And you can also change the font style or size by tapping on the font that you would like to change. And in the top left hand corner, you can select the font style that you would like to use. And you can also change the size of the font. So you can select any font size right here. And you can also add text if you want, and you can also change the effects. So you could edit all pages. You can add a new background to each page. And by the way, as I said earlier, if you would like to add each month, all you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to go back up to the top, and you're going to select design. Once you have selected design, all you'll need to do, you're going to tap on the X right there. And then from here, you will type in monthly planner. And once you have selected monthly planner, you'll see each month. So let's say, for example, I would like to add January. All you have to do is scroll down, then tap on add page. After you have selected add page, from here you can see January, February, March. So let's say you want to add all 12 months. You'll have to tap on it. Then you'll tap on apply all 12 pages. Then you'll see replace all pages with templates. You can tap on cancel. No, I don't want to replace all 12 pages. So I'm going to add them individually. So I'll tap on add page right there. Then I'll add February, March, and you could tap on add page, and you can do that right down. And then again, as I said, you would label each page, and this would be a perfect planner. Also, if you would like to add the binder effect to your planner, all you have to do is go over to elements again. So let me do that. So you would select the page, then you'll go over to elements in the top right hand corner, and then from here you could type in binder. And you'll see binder rings. You can type in binder rings. Then from here, you can see right here, this one right here. All you have to do is simply drag it over to your design. Then after you have dragged it over to your design, you can simply pull it out, as you can see right there. And this will give it the perfect digital planner look, as you can see right there. And that's it. That's how to add the binder ring to your design, as you can see right here, to your digital planner. That's how to add the binder ring. Let me edit it real quick. You can see it right there. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. And by the way, to print it, you have to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you'll scroll down and you're going to tap on download. After selecting download, right where you see PDF standard, you're going to tap on that. Then you'll select PDF print best for printing, and then you'll be able to print it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.